Hi guys, my name is David Carson. Welcome to my Regenerate and Reboot workout. Athletes don't only train hard, they recover harder. Let's teach you how to do the same. This workout is all about recovery. So this will be a series of moves in succession that's going to help us reach a more relaxed, a more stable body. Trust me, you're going to feel it at the end of it. So we're going to only do each move once, but we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. Our first move is a downward dog. In a tall plank position, I want us to push our hips towards the sky. Try to get our chest in between our shoulder blades. Good, really feel that extension. We're here for 30 seconds, so I really want you to concentrate on breathing. Take more oxygen in and out than you need. Inhale, exhale. Good. Last 5 seconds here. Now as you exhale, I want you to bring that right foot outside that right hand. Now think about dropping that right elbow down to the ankle and then extend up towards the sky. Nice and long. Good. Nice long reaches. Nice long reaches. Good, guys. Really stretch there. Good. Last 5 seconds here, guys. Continue to breathe, right? Become one with your body. Extend back into our downward dog position. And now we're going to slowly drop each knee. Nice, easy knee drops here. It's not a race. You versus yourself here. Good. Really feel that blood flow. Get that oxygen through your body. Good. Last 5 seconds. As you exhale, I want a big long lunge with that left leg now. Get that left foot outside that left hand. Now slowly drop that left elbow down and reach towards the sky. I like it, guys. Keep working. Good. It's not all about beating your body up, guys. Use this time to recover, become a better athlete. Good. Last 5 seconds. Good. Now there, I just want your right knee to drop. We're going to go to a left side pigeon stretch. So as much as you can, keep that left shin 90 degrees. Slowly slide that right knee back and lay down on that left shin. Big stretch of that glute and hip here. It's one of the best stretches you can do. We all can get better at this stretch. Continue to breathe. Good, guys. Last 10 seconds. Three, two, one. Good. Here, we're going to go into shin boxes for 30 seconds. Just let those knees drop side to side. Open up that groin, open up your hips. Nice and easy. Continue to breathe. Now we're going to the right. Pigeon stretch here. Right leg as 90 degrees as possible. Slowly lay down on that right shin. Good. Within those first 15 seconds, you will feel those hips start to open up. And that's when you go into even deeper breathing. You got it, guys. Keep working. Good, last 5 seconds. Good, now we're gonna pop up to another 30 seconds on our shin box, just side to side. We should really feel open and fluid here in our hips. Good, we sit down all day, we squat, we deadlift. Let's put a little juice back in our legs. Three, 2, 1. Good. Now we're working to shoulder sweep. So I need you on your side. Knees stacked. You're going to follow that right arm around. Now as that right arm starts to sweep, I need your eyes to follow that hand around. Shoulders are one of the most common injured things in your body. Let's be preemptive on this work. Good, guys. Follow that arm all the way around. Continue to breathe. Last 5 seconds. Now we're going to the other side. Good. Again, follow that arm all the way around. Follow that hand. Good job, guys. Continue to breathe. Protect these shoulders. Protect your body. Now we're going to roll over on our stomach. Hands tucked to our side. Elbows nice and tight. Inhale. As you exhale, push up. Good. Tip here, think about not shrugging, making that neck as long as possible. Shoulders packed. Good job, guys. If this is too much for your lower back, you can go down to your elbows and get a great stretch there. Continue to breathe. Good. Last move here. I want you to slide those knees out. Use those arms to push back. Nice big groin stretch here. Isn't it nice me not yelling at you guys for 30 minutes? Good. Continue to breathe. Nice big stretch in that groin. Good. 20 more seconds here, guys. If this flow feels good for you guys, do not be afraid to go through it 2 more times. As athletes, we know we can go hard. Can we recover and get ready for the game the next day? I'm David. Thanks for working out with me today.